Hi everyone and welcome back. In this lecture, I will explain filter transformation. Filter transformation is an active unconnected transformation used to filter records based on specified condition. If any record satisfies that particular condition, goes to next transformation. If any record not satisfy the particular filter condition, that record gets rejected. Okay. So now I will show you practically, then you can clearly understand this particular filter transformation behavior. So for this one, I take this MP table as my source table. Based on this particular data, I will filter data based on this particular salesman. I need only salesman data into target table. I have already created this target table structure. Okay. Now go to data integration service and open your working folder. Click on new, select mapping, create. So provide mapping name here, filter transformation. Now select this source. First to provide connection details. Okay. Next we need to select source table. So here connection and object selection is completed. Now same way we need to set up target as well. Click on this drop down, select and select object here. So this is target table. Once you provide source connection and target connections, now we need to include filter transformation between source and target. So we can directly drag that particular transformation from here, or we need to use these three dots. If you click on these three dots, whatever transformations available in Informatica Cloud, all the transformation lists available here. See, okay, need to select that particular transformation. Okay, I need filter, so that's why I choose filter. Okay, once you choose filter, provide this particular filter name. Okay, filter based on job. Okay, we are filtering data based on this particular job column. Okay, now go to filter option here. Here we have filter condition, three different. Okay, now I go simple. Later I will explain advanced and completely parameterized option. Okay, now I go simple. Once you select this condition, by default it selects simple condition only. Okay, now click on this plus icon. So select field name on what base, on what column you want to filter the data. We need to select the particular field name. So here I am filtering data based on this particular job column. So that's why I select this particular job column. Then equal to, we need to provide value. So salesman. Okay, based on this particular value, I'm going to filter the record. Okay. So once you provide this particular filter condition, now validate here. Okay. Still it become a invalid status. Why? Because we need to provide the field mapping. Okay, click on this target, go to field mapping. So select smart map. Okay, automatically all source field connected to target fields. Now validate. Now see, it become a valid state. Now save it. Once you save this particular mapping, first we need to copy this particular mapping name here. Go to mapping task, then provide name, mapping name, select runtime environment here. Now validate again, save it. Now once you save this particular mapping task, click on run button. Now go to monitor here. Now it is in starting queue status. Next it is in running status. See, only 4 records processed. Now go to database. So now run this particular query. Okay. See, only salesman's related data loaded into this particular target table. So this way, this particular filter transformation works in Informatica. Okay. Only satisfied condition loaded into this target. Other all records rejected. Okay. So in next lecture, I will explain some more examples on filter transformation. Then you can clearly understand this particular filter transformation behavior. Once you expertise on each and every transformation, then you can build any project. So that's why I will explain each and every transformation behavior first. Okay, later I will give you some kind of complex assignments. We can solve those particular assignments. So that's it guys. Okay, thank you.